Funky D, everybody. Welcome back to Funky D news time. Showore Mata and the Nigerian people, including Charlie Boy, Deji, and the rest of them, including our Mumu Dondu, alias or AKA Una Mumu just the start. Una never know waiting day. And the waiting they come for una when they follow people like Charlie Boy. Una go take a easy, ladies and gentlemen, and the matter we want to talk today. Yes, una know see many people or some people they come out, they talk, say, Showore do this, Showore do that. I not understand. I not just understand. Because it gets some people, again, when they come out in social media, when we see they won't bring Showore down. Funky D say, una not fit bring Showore down until when we don't see evidence of the things, of the allegations, one at the level against Showore. Here you get. Because this Charlie Boy matter, when Charlie Boy don't go do what he do with APC people. In fact, Charlie Boy still do with PDP people. Because now Buhari when be Jubri in first you sync. Later, it constantly sync with Atiku name. See what I get? Now, at the end of the day, the man, when we say in the claim say in activists in one help Nigerian people, when they claim say na him be the father of the fatherless, when be they claim say na him be the father of people, when we say the Nigerian people, when we say then they into poverty and all that when they claim say nobody they look after Nigerian youth. So that man when they claim say na him be area father himself, he don't go do what he do with Festus Keyamo, collect 9 figures. Nobody send them. Say me go collect 9 figures. As he don't collect the 9 figures now, when they don't use poto, rub all in body, in they find somebody when he wants stain with the poto, when they for him body. The time when Charlie Boy they go collect the money, nobody know. Say Charlie Boy they collect money from APC. Now later, somebody like Funky D and other Nigerians come to see man, Charlie Boy when they claim say he na the father of our Mumu don't do, he don't go collect money. Showore not there when they collect the money. When they come invite Charlie Boy, say make Charlie Boy come, make them interview him in some television station in that country. Charlie Boy go there alone. Showore not there. Showore not force Charlie Boy, say make him talk, say na him. Say na him collect the money. Charlie Boy openly declare say him collect money and then collect them big. Say them pay big. Now the way when Charlie Boy talk am be that. So as you don't collect the money, go television station. Showore not did there, he not force you, say make you go talk the thing where you go talk, or make you go accept, see you collect money. When you don't accept finish, some days back, you can't come back again to social media. They tell us, see one thing. See, now you collect money. Nobody did there, now only you go collect money, and now only you go television station, go open yourself. When you and Deji, your friend, they do what they do. Showore not they there. When Deji, they do what they do, when make them send and go prison, Showore not they there. So why can't be say now? And not be only Charlie Boy, ladies and gentlemen. When they dance up and down in social media, they accuse Showore for waiting Showore not do. I know they defend Showore, but the only thing when Funky D they talk be say, I need the evidence. The allegation one on the level against Sowore. Make una show us just one small evidence, small one, so that people when never believe before go they believe una tori. Take it. Now you got some people again when they accuse Sowore, say say the time when Sowore go Nigeria, when they do the campaign, when they do say na Bola Tinubu hotel, na him Sowore stay. I don't understand. She get how somebody when you know say na him be your enemy, you they fight, then they fight against you, they fight against them. They don't want you, you don't want them. How come Sowore go that one? I just they think about them. I don't know whether not true or, but the way when me a reason be say if na Funky D, I no go somebody like Bola Tinubu hotel go stay. That one I don't know whether Sowore go that one or he not go that one. Funky D no go talk that one now because I never see evidence. Then if you not still get evidence, say Sowore go Bola Tinubu hotel or Sowore collect 3 billion when they accuse say Sowore collect. In fact, let's start from that hotel. Maybe not just bring evidence of that hotel. Say na Bola Tinubu when the one when proof say Sowore stay for Bola Tinubu hotel when in the campaign. And again, the evidence of that 3 billion when on the talk say Sowore collect 3 billion. Sowore collect 3 billion. Show us the evidence. Now, when Charlie Boy don't use poto rob himself, rob everywhere, when he did, even including in his house, rob use poto, he won't find Sowore when he go talk say Sowore do that. The other ones that when they not allow say make them go, make them, because those people then they greedy. They greedy. When we say that then won't just contest alone in the AAC platform. And the AAC people say no, you have to do primaries with somebody inside AAC. So anybody when win, then the person go carry on. Then the same greed, those guys they talk say, then West don't support before. Now AAC don't become bad place because they was unable to make it for the ticket because of their greed. Even PDP and APC, when no know before when they that country, all of them they do their wuru primaries. All of them they do primaries before who go clinch. Why come be say you go just come inside AAC? They give a command say only you must carry the ticket. Now only you AAC must to bring come out. It not they work like that. Nowhere in the world when they work like that. Now only you there inside the party. When we say you go just come and they claim say now only you must to contest under AAC. No, you have to do primaries with somebody when still there inside AAC. So anybody when win, go win. Now when it come be say the plan not can work, it can't be like say then they make up stories with Charlie Boy. They plan together with Charlie Boy. They try to blackmail Sowore for waiting Sowore not do. So that's why from Gidi they tell us say if you nothing say you know waiting they talk, make you throw evidence come make we see am. Anybody when they talk say Sowore, because when they say Charlie Boy collect money, Charlie Boy not deny him. Charlie Boy come out publicly say he collect 9 figures and say them pay him big. Say Keyam will not waste time to pay him the money. This one is somebody when they talk say he want liberate Nigerian people. I just they wonder for the Imo people when don't they follow Charlie Boy now, because I don't see say Charlie Boy don't sneak go Imo state now. They talk say he want do this with Imo people or he want move down go his hometown. Maybe he want do something in politics there, or you know. Now they don't see say Okorocha don't fall and Charlie Boy won't come replace Okorocha. Ladies and gentlemen, if you know say you be Imo man, you come from Imo state, they could not answer Charlie Boy, because Charlie Boy now another Okorocha when one can destroy that city where they call Imo State, or that state where they call Imo State. And the poto when Charlie Boy don't use robbing body, the people of Imo make you run far, make you not use that poto rob on our body. Because now I not see where in one hang the matter put again. Now in the talk say Sowore do this. Now Sowore, because of Sowore, now I make this one happen. Because of Sowore, now I make her say Sowore self collect. The other one they say Sowore collect. It is easy to talk say in collect. Bring out the proof. Show us the proof. Say Sowore dey for stay for Bola Tinubu place, or Sowore collect money, or Sowore stay for Bola Tinubu's hotel. You get that one. I not fit talk anything on that hotel staying, whether he stay there or he not stay there. Funky D no fit confirm that one. But if you know when saying he pay 300,000, according to what the story where we hear say he pay 300, of course Sowore himself don't make him before he enter politics. Not be today that man they travel, they come Nigeria. Not be today that man they stay big hotel. Not be the AAC money when people contribute, give, and when everybody see how this man suffer and campaign for the people of Nigeria to bring change to that country. Now when the man don't suffer, campaign the campaign, when APC sick government don't push them come out with army, and now somebody won't come and they talk say Sowore collect 3 billion. What about that 3 billion when they talk say the AAC also collect from Wike? If that's so, now be 6 billion now. If they collect from government, that is APC government, then collect from Wike, not being be 6 billion. How it take collect that money? Which bank account then put that money, that kind of money? I've been a cash then carry giver. So you when they claim say Sowore do this and do that, make you stop to the talk. Because if you the talk, if you know say you don't want stop, show the evidence. Musian. Now so Nigerian team be better, they know they like better thing. That's why they tell you before say when they call Sowore, make you call the APC and the PDP when don't they do now since they come. Not be Sowore create Boko Haram, not being create Esmin, not being bring hunger to the country, not being make children not to the go school, not being make hospital, not make electricity come. Because when Sowore tell and say won't bring electricity come, everybody jump up. They talk say I want to get the money. But they see billions when the government, Nigerian government, then they embezzle. When don't reach, give light, repair road, put things in order, give us hospital, build schools for children, including universities. They see the money where they embezzle. Know the finish. Somebody when wanted to come out for inside the mess, now the man won't come the castigate in social media. So Charlie boy, if you talk say Sowore and I make you collect money, or you talk say maybe Sowore collect 3 billion, and you and the people when they talk this thing on they talk, make una show us evidence. If you not bring evidence, now you say everything well on the talk, nothing hold water, everything well on the talk, now pata, everything well on the talk, not make any sense. And if you not still bring that any evidence, come and say Sowore stay for Bola Tinubu's hotel or collect money from anybody, now be say una go put una head in shame already. Una face, una head, una body, una don't put them in shame. Charlie boy most especially. When don't do bad, when one can go back now to Imo State, they deceive Imo State people. When they make noise, they talk, say, man, he won't do this, say, then go follow the governor, so that the governor no go be like Okorocha. You and Okorocha, waiting be the difference between you and Okorocha alias Mberi. Tell us waiting be the difference between you and the APC people. And tell us what be the difference between you and Jubri, Amino, and Sudani when they go come from Khartoum. You they claim say you want save people. We don't know say Anybody when they our mumu don't do, make una find on our way because Charlie boy go use that poto when don't sit down on top, come rob una. Now, he not know when he won't hide in face. He won't come the blackmail Sowore in social media. Including those people when we say them plenty. When we say then they talk say Sowore na this and that and that and that and that. I say everything when they talk. No hold water until when we will see the evidence of the allegations. If we are not see them, come out. And we see all those who want to talk. You not fly. So make una quiet if you not see that one. That evidence what they look for. I don't tell you before. You still get some people at the time say, Funky D, you they support Sowore. Of course, make I make it clear to everybody. Sowore na person when one bring better thing to that country, when one bring change, not be change of APC next level and PDP, I won't sell. No. Sowore na real corruption fighter. Because all these people, na him bring them down, bring them to the book before all our face. And him bring them come, tell them say men, owner, not good to the govern the country. So why come be say you will talk say Sowore won't collect money from APC? He collect money from APC. Why not come down from his campaign and then travel? And now for now when they call Sowore name for social media and they talk say where in they saying hide. The man not hide. The man don't try for una. All of una. The man don't try for una. If you see say the thing easy, make you come out. Go challenge Jobri. Now, election don't over. What do you want Sowore for? There's still a campaign in that country. Campaign never finish. Election never finish. So waiting on they look for. Waiting on they call for Sowore. The man go relax with the family, making rethink. To see if he come back again. Funky D say we go still carry him up. Because we never see any bad thing when that man do to una, when be evil people, when make that country when they call Nigeria, they the way when in day before. Sowore not be member of our mumu don't do. Ladies and gentlemen, our mumu don't do. Funky D say Sowore not they among una. You know they wear that cloth when they wear our mumu don't do. You never wear I never see her with that una mumu don't do. So for Charlie boy to the come out, they talk say Sowore collect money, or some other people they come out, they talk saying collect money from KDC. It don't make sense. Make all of una quiet if una not get evidence to prove say in collect money from anybody. Funky don't know the one now. Whether no one talk say na PDP give am, I don't know. Whether na APC give am, Funky D don't know. But una talk say in collect 3 billion. Where who give am the money? So now so the matter be, ladies and gentlemen, because when they come out, they talk, see the man collect, give us evidence, not to the talk. Sowore, I don't know Sowore before, I did not know me before. I just support him because I see the guy won't bring better thing, won't bring change to that country. And at the same time, if Funky D say he get any stain for body like the other of our politicians like APC and PDP, or any stain of corruption for him body, now so me I go the broadcast time because so the level be. I go still talk and say what in do no good, and I no go follow him again if I see anything when we see it look like stain. So for now, make we bury that matter of say Sowore collect until when I will give us the genuine proof say in collect money. And that one I get for now for today be that. To Charlie boy, I say your mumu now it starts. You don't go now Imo State because you see Okorocha don't come out. You won't come jump in, can't disturb Imo people, can't deceive them. For now, if you be Imo, if you come from Imo State, ladies and gentlemen, all those kind of people, then Charlie boy. Difference not there between Charlie boy and Okorocha alias Mberiberism. Make una run for una dear life. because the man go collect on top of our head. When you they go preach for station to station, nobody force you to talk, say, to agree, say you collect money from Keyamo. Nobody force you. Even Keyamo don't come and come they deceive people. Come they do like say one thing or the other. Because he don't call Charlie Boy. Charlie Boy don't call and tell and say no agree if they ask you. Now the game where they play in that country be that. Our mumu, when be our real mumu, it don't do. Charlie Boy, nobody where you go feel deceive again. Keyamo, nobody when you feel deceive again. For now, when they come, they talk, say, she already do this and do that. From Kidi say, you not feel can't deceive anybody because of, say, you see, the guy not they to talk. You understand? Because you see, say, you want use opportunity, one useless thing take stain his name. You not fit stain that guy name. That guy remain genuine as far as Funky D is concerned. Until one will show us the proof, say incorrect. Now that time, we will know say incorrect. And if you know they bring that proof, we must to check that proof very well, whether a genuine one or a fake one. Because Nigerian people, 99.9% of Nigerians are fake. Everything what they do, they be fake people. So now here we go stop today. If you never share my video before, share this video, go give Charlie Boy. And if you never subscribe before, make sure say you begin subscribe right now. And also they press that button, they go as they subscribe. So that anytime when Funky D upload, you first get the video. Thank you everybody. Funky D. Bye.